FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Here are some personal tips for improving your English skills. Shadow native speakers. Listen to short English clips and repeat exactly after the speaker, copying tone and rhythm. Set a theme day. Pick one topic, travel, food, business, and use only related English words and sentences all day. Use sticky notes around the home. Label objects with their English names to think in English without effort. Rewrite your daily routine in English. At night, write 4 to 5 sentences about your day using past tense. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe our channel.